queen. I'm the alpha, the omega, everything in between. Oh, ride with Minaj, mashallah. Check in with me, then do your job. Queen is the name. Raphael did the...
What's up, dolls, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be blow drying and trying out this blow dryer that everybody on YouTube has been raving about lately. It's the Revlon Pro Collection Salon one-step hair dryer and styler, and it's just pretty much a powder brush blow dryer. And I ordered mine from Amazon, and this is literally how it came. Like, there's a shipping label and everything. Like, they just taped it and shipped it. Like, the box is just broken up. It's just pitiful. But now I gotta figure out how to get into it. So I just had to rip the box. But it comes in this plastic wrap. And it has instructions and whatever. Tells you how to hold it, how not to hold it, blah 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 blah. Okay. So this is what it looks like. So much bags to cut. And this is the plug part. You know, looks regular. So I'm gonna plug it in and come back. Okay, so I plugged it up, and it has 3 settings: cool, low, and high. And when you cut it on cool, and then this is low, and then this is high. So I think I'm gonna use high. And I done did my little moisture. I did my protein spray, my leave-in moisturizing spray. I oiled my scalp, and then I used my hair butter. And then to just, you know, so a little bit of slip, I'm gonna use my Tresemme Moisture Rich Conditioner. So I'm just not that much. And then I'm going to split it in half. And then put the top half away. Another little pump. Okay, and now I'm going to take the blow dryer. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm done. So this is my hair fully blow dried, and pretty much my final thoughts on this blow dryer. I like it. I'm gonna continue to use it because it really gets my hair, like, you know, blow dried out. This is how much hair was in the blow dryer, which is nothing compared to if I use like the comb or whatever. But the only thing, like, it's like 98% pro to me. The only cons is it's really loud. Like, when I got done with my front sections, I heard ringing in my ear. Like, it's just so loud. And then the other one is it gets really, really hot. Like, burn your hands hot. Like, it gets hot. But I mean, other than that, I really like it. Like, oh yeah, and another con is how they scented it, but that's just my experience. Because if you go into Walmart and buy it yourself, it's not gonna be like that. It's gonna be in that box, but it's not gonna be wrapped up and sent to you like that. So, I mean, that's really all for this video. Like I said, I highly recommend this blow dryer. If you think about purchasing it, I highly recommend you purchasing it. I will link where I got mine from in the description box below, but like I said, I do not recommend you ordering it from them. But I do recommend you getting this blow dryer. And other than, I mean, it's pretty. Look at it. It's pink and black. Why not? I mean, if you can't get to your roots also, it can leave your roots wet. But I mean, I think I'm about to do some bantu knots to my hair or something. So, it really don't matter to me about my roots being wet. But that's really all. What am I doing? But that's really all for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a doll or whatever. And this is Cinn signing off. I love you guys. Peace.
Cinn City wasn't made for you. Angels like you.